Today I'm making slow cooker brownies with a homemade chocolate Oreo ice cream. First I'm going to make the chocolate Oreo ice cream, so in a bowl I'm going to add 2 cups of heavy cream. Next I'm going to add 1/3 of a cup of cocoa powder. Then I'm going to mix that up until stiff peaks form. Then I'm going to add 8 Oreos that I chopped up. Then I'm going to add 1 can of sweetened condensed milk and fold everything in. Next I have a loaf pan. I'm going to add the ice cream into the loaf pan and cover this up and then put this in the freezer overnight. Next I'm going to make the brownie, so in a bowl I'm going to add 1 box of brownie mix. Next I'm just following the directions on the back of the brownie mix, so I'm adding eggs, oil, and water. Then I'm going to add 1/2 cup of milk chocolate chips and 1/2 cup of white chocolate chips. Next mix that up until it's combined. Now I have my slow cooker that I greased. I'm going to add the brownie batter into the slow cooker and spread it out and turn it on high heat and put the lid on, and then I'm going to check it in 1 hour. This is what the brownie looks like after 1 hour. I ended up cooking it for another hour and 15 minutes. The brownie cooked for a total of 2 hours and 15 minutes. Now I'm going to add a scoop of the brownie onto a plate. Next I'm going to add a scoop of the chocolate Oreo ice cream. Then I'm going to add some magic shells, some whipped cream, and some rainbow sprinkles. Here's an up close look of the slow cooker brownie with homemade chocolate Oreo ice cream.